Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Statistics for data science. In this lecture, we will discuss Mayer Offset tendency mode. Following topics will be covered in this video: mode, its application, how to calculate mode, its characteristics, examples, and finally Python implementation. So, what is mode? Mode is a value that appears most frequently in a data set, having a maximum frequency. A set of data may have one mode, or more than one mode, or no mode at all. Mode helps which product is the most popular, to know the customer preferences, which product to stock more, and so on. Here is data in which the value 11 appears most frequently. So this is the mode for this data. Application. We can apply mode in different field of real life. In healthcare, we can use the mode to know most common disease in a population, marketing most popular product or size purchased, weather forecasting most frequent temperature range, customer feedback, most frequently selected rating, e-com most sold products, and so on. Calculating mode. Uh, Here is a data set of student scores in exam. Uh, because three appear most frequently in the data set, so this is the mode for that data. Here, two values, 7 and 3, are most frequently vary, having the same frequency. So there are two modes. This is the bimodal data set. Uh, Here, colors, because we can use the mode for qualitative data. The red colors appear most frequently in data set, so mode is equal to red. Uh, how to calculate for the frequency distribution? Here we have a disease and with their respective frequency. Uh, because diabetes appears most frequently in the data set, so this is the model disease. Heuristics applicable to qualitative data and quantitative data. We can use mode for both data, whether it is qualitative or quantitative. In the score, 11 is the mode, and in the color, red is the mode because the red color appear most frequently in the data sets not affected by extreme values. Because mode consider the most frequently value, so that is why extreme value cannot affect the mode. Can be used for nominal data like gender, male, female. Data set can have unimodal, bimodal, multimodal, or no mode at all. When to use? Conducting a survey about user favorite web browser. If we conduct a survey, so which browser is most frequently appear in the data set? So this will be the modal web browser. Similarly, which programming language is most commonly used by the programmers? To know about the student age, which occur most frequently in the data set. To know about most common disease, a most common shoe size purchased by the customers, and most common weather condition. Here is example. In the first data, mode is 0 because all value are distinct. There is no value that appears more than one time. Mark in the second uh, mode is 12, and in the third set there are two modes, 12 and 15. In programming language, the modal language is the Python, and in the colors, green appear most frequently in the data set, so this is the modal color. Now to implement Python implementation. So uh, So here we will use two modules, statistics and pandas. And first of all, if we have, for example, data 3, 4, 6, 7, and then we apply the function mode, for example, uh, print mode data. So 7 is the mode for this data because 7 appear most frequently. Uh, if there are more than one mode, for example, in the data set, let's say art, so it will not detect by the uh, mode function. So we will use a multi-mode to know about, to check whether there are more than one mode in the data set. So multi-mode. 7 or 8 are the mode. Now to use the qualitative data, so here, so this is the data set of 10 patients and disease. Now, first of all, we create a data frame, df, uh, pd dot data frame and data 2. Now to calculate the mode, so we can apply the mode function. For example, mode and df here to disease. So diabetes. So diabetes is the modal disease in this data sets. If we apply the multi-mode to check for the more than one mode, multi-mode, so it will return diabetes and hypertensions. So in this way, we can use the uh, mode and multi-mode function for uh, qualitative and quantitative data.